Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Talia. I reading class UKG. My topic is मात्रा मात्रा रूप में स्वर। जिन वर्णों के उच्चारण में दूसरे वर्ण की सहायता नहीं ली जाती उन्हें स्वर कहते हैं। थैंक यू। ओ की मात्रा अनार। ओ से अनार। आ की मात्रा आम। छोटी छोटी की मात्रा इमली। बढ़ाई की मात्रा ईख। छोटा ऊ की मात्रा उल्लू। बड़ा ऊ की मात्रा ऊन। मॉर्निंग मैम, माय नेम इज रोम। मिस कर्मा एट क्लास केजी। री की मात्रा ऋषि। ओ की मात्रा ओसी। ओ की मात्रा औरत। आ की मात्रा अंगूर।
My name is Karthik Dubey.
My name is Ifra Khatun.
My name is Bebo Chauhan.
My name is Divanshu Trivedi.
My name is Athar Udube from class 4th. We are going to present maths model. Our topic is shapes. We know that many types of shapes, as we see in our model, they have different faces, edges and vertices. Now Divanshu tell us how many faces, edges and vertices in cube.
Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now Bebo tell us how many faces, vertices and edges in cone.
Cone has one flat face, one covered face, one edge and one vertices. Now if you tell us about sphere.
Sphere has one face in a sphere. There is no edges and vertices. Now Karthik tell us about rectangular cuboid.
The cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now Athar tell us about cylinder.
Cylinder has 2 flat faces, 1 covered faces or 2 edges and have no vertices. So in this way here see the different kind of shapes. Thank you.
My name is Amisha Kathwas. I study in class 4.
My name is Amrin Khan. I study in class 4.
My name is Srishti Vishkama. I study in class 4th.
And my name is Samantha Trivedi. I study in class 4.
My name is Sayyeda Khan. I study in class 4. We are going to present SST model and our topic is water dispenser. Now Amreen explain us what is water dispenser.
Dispenser is the device that dispenses water. Now Srishti, give us its use.
Used to provide easy access to drinking water. Now Tanmay show its work.
I take some water and throw it in the bottle. After that I close the cap. When I open the cap, air passed and water dispenser in the glass.
This way water dispenser work. Good morning, my name is Ayushi Yadav. I am in 12th KG. My studying English sense organ. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Eyes help us see, nose help us smell, ear help us hear, tongue help us taste, and skin help us feeling. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Prisha Dwivedi. I did in class 5 KG. My project in English sense organ. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us see, nose help us smell, ear help us hear, tongue help us taste, and skin help us feel. Thank you. Hello, good morning. My name is Arya Pandey. I read in class LKG. My project in English. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, nose, ear, tongue, skin, and skin. Eyes help us see, ear help us hear, tongue help us taste, and skin help us feel. Thank you. Hello, good morning. My name is Purnima Gon. I read in class LKG. My project in English sense organ. We have 5 sense organs. These are eyes, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. Eyes help us see, nose help us smell, ear help us hear, tongue help us taste, and skin help us feeling. Thank you. Hello, good morning. My name is Ari. I read class LKG. My project English second. We are eye, nose, ear, tongue, and skin. Eye help us see, nose help us smell, ear help us hear, tongue help us taste, and skin help us feeling. Thank you.
हेलो, हाँ मुझे अपने बच्चे को देख के बहुत अच्छा लगा. वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर एंड हर टॉकिंग एक्टिविटी और वेरी इम्प्रूवमेंट I see in her. हाँ, तो बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ का अरेंजमेंट, यहाँ के बच्चे सारे जो सिखाया गया है, टीचर्स ने बहुत अच्छा बच्चों को सिखाया, अप्रिसिएटेड, आई वेरी अप्रिसिएट। मेरी बेटी एलकेजी क्लास में है, प्रिशा द्विवेदी, उसका बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे देख के। यहाँ एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल, वेरी प्राउड ऑफ हर, एंड बहुत अच्छा सिखाया गया है उसको। मेरी बच्ची बहुत इम्प्रूव कर रही है। थैंक यू।
तीज दी हारिस, बहुत अच्छा ही लगा। और एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल अच्छा शिक्षा दे रहे हैं।
Sananya Mishra, I'm studying class 4.
My name is Sanchita, I study in class 4.
My name is Ishan, I study in class 4.
My name is Mohammad Ghafur Anaf, I study in class 4.
My name is Adil Ahmad, I study in class 4.
And my name is Ayan Hussain, I am studying class 4.
We are going to present science model and our topic is water cycle. Let us know what is water cycle. The continuous cycle in nature in which water changes from one state to another is called water cycle.
The different state of water cycle are as follow. Now Jishan explain what is evaporation.
Evaporation. When water changes from liquid state to water vapor is called evaporation. Now Anas, let us about condensation.
Condensation. The water turns from a gaseous state to a liquid state. This process is called condensation. Now Adil explain us about precipitation.
Precipitation. The water from the cloud fall on the earth in the form of rain, snow or hail. This form of water is called precipitation. Water cycle its work.
Good morning everyone, my name is Umar Farooq. I study in class first. Our topic is sun, moon and star. Now we learn and going to show about the sun. The sun, it is a ball of fire. Every morning the sun rises in the east. Evening the sun sets in the west. Sunset rings the night.
Let's learn about the moon. This is the moon. The moon shines in the sky at night.
The moon does not have light of its own, so if there no sun, we will not see the moon at the all because the sunlight will shape every night. Sometimes it look round, sometimes it look C-shaped, sometimes we don't see any moon. Learn about the star. This is a star. We see a lot of bright stars in the sky during the night. Everyone, my name is Suhana. I study in class first. Our topic is ascending and descending order. Now we learn and going to show what in ascending order. My name is Avril Bane. I study in class first. Our topic is ascending order. Arrange the numbers from the smallest to the greatest. We call it ascending order. Ascending order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you.
It's turn for descending order. Now show what is descending order.
Arrange numbers from the greatest to the smallest. We say they are in descending order. Descending order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
सर क्या कहते हैं, ये एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल जो है बहुत ही एजुकेशन बहुत अच्छी दे रहा है बच्चों को। और क्या कहते हैं, हमें लगता है मेरे बच्चों का भविष्य और अच्छा होगा यहाँ पढ़ा के। और मेरी बच्ची ने भी परफॉर्मेंस दी है, वो भी बहुत अच्छी लगी मुझे। और यहाँ का मतलब बिहेवियर और टीचरों से सारी मेल मिलाप बहुत अच्छे हैं। नहीं, बच्चों की तैयारी हमने भी कराई और टीचर्स ने भी की। टीचर्स का सपोर्ट ही है और फिर हम लोग ने भी घर से भी करवाया, तो फिर बच्चे मतलब हमारे बच्चे आगे ही जा रहे सफलता की ओर, ये हमें लगता है। आज इन्होंने क्या कहते हैं, मतलब मेरी बेटी बनाना टॉपिक पे, मतलब फ्रूट्स में बनाना टॉपिक पे बोलना था उन्हें स्पीच, तो उन्होंने अच्छा बोला और वीडियो भी मैंने अभी कैप्चर की है, तो बहुत ही अच्छे से मतलब परफॉर्मेंस दी है उन्होंने।
Good morning, my name is Ishika Chaturvedi. I am from class 2nd. We are going to present a band model. Our topic is calendar from chapter 12. We start short the day, week and month of a Kartik Huai is called calendar.
Good morning, my name is Faizan from class 2nd. Here is 12 months in our calendar. Calendar name of the month are January, February, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Ananya Yadav from class 2nd. Number of day in January 31. Number of day in February 28 and 29.
Number of day in Myanmar. Number of day in May. 31. Number of day in August. 31. Number of day is September.
My name is Hiram Taira from class 2nd. Here is 4 weeks in a month. Each week consists 7 days. Week start with Monday. Second day is Tuesday. Thursday is Wednesday. Fourth day is Thursday. Fifth day is Friday. Sixth day is Saturday. Seventh day is Sunday. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Sam Srivastava from class 2nd. We are going to present English model. Our topic is describing words from chapter 9. Thank you.
My name is Anand Vishkarma from class 2nd. Words. Describing words tells us more about naming words. For example, we may use a describing words like thick to tell us more about naming words. Book.
I am from class 2nd. For example, cake is sweet, soft, creamy. Mango is sweet, yellow, juicy. Bag purple, heavy, full.
My name is Shiva Dubey for class 2nd. Elephant is big, strong, white.
My name is Pari Sonkar from class 2nd. Tree is big, strong, green.
Good morning. My name is Sonal Sukar from class 2nd. We are going to present a science model. Our topic is air pollution from chapter 8. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Saifana from class 2nd. Air around us. Put your hand in front of your mouth and blow it. You feel anything. Air is everywhere. Moving is air called fine. Thank you.
My name is Al-Shifa from class 2nd. Air pollution. Air pollution means polluting the air with dust and harmful particles. Thank you. My name is Radhya from class 2nd. Why do we need air? Air dries our clothes. Air is needed to make fire. Plants need air to prepare their food. We need air to breathe. Thank you.
My name is Jai Shada from class 2nd. What is causes of air pollution? Air pollution, the bicycle like car, truck and scooter. Give smoke and chimneys get air polluted. Thank you. My name is Asu Mishra from class 2nd. Effect of air pollution makes us cough, makes breathing very difficult, keep us headache, make us ill. Thank you.
दरअसल एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल मिशन कंपाउंड के कैंपस में हम खड़े हैं और आज समूचा जनपद इस बात की चर्चा कर रहा है कि आखिर एक छात्र की जो तैयारी होती है, जो लोग देख रहे हैं, जो छात्रों के जो परिजन देख रहे हैं, वो कैसे संभव हो पाता है। इस पूरे कार्यक्रम की सफलता के पीछे का जो राज है आज हम निकलवाने का प्रयास करेंगे। सर, आपका बहुत स्वागत है।
थैंक यू वीरेंद्र भैया। इसमें हमारे सभी अध्यापकों का सहयोग सबसे बड़ा होता है और उसके साथ साथ बच्चे भी मन लगा कि इसमें अपना जितना अधिक से अधिक हो सकता है वो करते हैं। और प्लस मैं मैनेजमेंट को धन्यवाद कहूँगा कि वो भी बातों को काफ़ी केयर करते हैं और वो भी ऑल राउंड डेवलपमेंट की बात करते हुए हम लोग को कहते हैं नहीं, बच्चों में ऐसी एक्टिविटी कराइए जिससे बच्चों को कुछ सीखने को मिले। तो वो हम अपने अध्यापकों के बीच में डिस्कस करके और वो चीज़ कराई जाती है और उसी का ये परिणाम है कि इतना अच्छा से अच्छा हम कर पा रहे हैं।
बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी करवाती है और ख्याल करती हैं, जैसे घर पे ख्याल होता है। और उन लोगों भी ने मेहनत किया, हम लोग भी ने मेहनत किया, तब जाकर बच्चे इतना बोल पाए।
My name is Swanshi Pandey from class 3rd. My name is Aradha Srivastava from class 3rd.
My name is Isha from class 3rd. Priti from class 3rd.
English model. Our topic is adjective form of adjective. Now start. An adjective is a word that modify or describe a noun or pronoun. Example: she is a long hair. He drive a blue car. She eat 3 toffees. Thank you. And form of adjective positive. The positive form is when any adjective simply describes something. Example: I am beautiful. Thank you.
Degree. The comparative form is when a describing word compares to things or person.
I am more beautiful than Pari.
Superlative degree. The superlative form is when an Adjectives compare more than two things or person and is describing the best words in the set. It means most beautiful in my essence school. Thank you.
एक से एक सब्जेक्ट ऐसा प्रतीत होता है कि कोई विषय छूटा नहीं है बच्चों से, चाहे वो करेंसी से हो, चाहे पॉल्यूशन से हो, चाहे डॉक्टरी हेल्थ से हो, हर सेक्टर को आप कवरेज करते हैं। आपको लगता है कि इस तरीके की जो पद्धति है वो छात्र कभी नहीं भूलते?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं, आपका भी कहना सही है। और हम सिर्फ साइंस ही नहीं, हम साइंस को लेकर के टेक्नोलॉजी, मैथमेटिक्स, हिंदी, इंग्लिश सभी चीज़ों पे फोकस करते हैं, जिससे बच्चों को हर प्रकार के नॉलेज मिल सके।
Miss Arsh Ahmed from class 3rd. My name is Virat Yadav from class 3rd. And my name is Anugrah Keshwani from class 3rd.
My name is Malak Miraz from class 3rd.
To present a EVS model. Our topic is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is a good way to save water. Thank you. Have a nice day. It is done by collecting rainwater in big tanks with the help of pipe. Thank you and have a nice day. And we also fix underground water. The water is a filter and stored. Thank you and have a nice day.
Use this water when needed nowadays. Many schools, houses and store water in this way. Thank you.
Shivam Yadav from class 3rd.
Morning, my name is Mohammad Akif from class 3rd.
My name is Rehan from class 3rd.
I'm from class 3rd.
The math model. Our topic is pictograph. Pictograph is a way to present the data using image or symbols. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Question is choose an appropriate key to represent that. How many toffees sold on every day? If the key represent 1 toffee is equal to 20 toffee. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Top every day on Monday 20 toffees sold, so we have to put 1 toffee on graph because key indicates 1 is equal to 20 toffee. Thank you. Have a nice day.
We have to put 2 toffees on Tuesday. Three toffees on Wednesday. Six toffees on Friday. Toffees on Sunday. Thank you, Anuj. This is Patel from class 3rd.
My name is Rohit Yadav from class 3rd.
Good name is Tapasya Shukla from class 3rd.
My name is Ligan from class 3rd.
हिंदी मॉडल आवर टॉपिक इज लिंग। शब्दों के जिस रूप से उनके पुरुष और स्त्री जाति के होने का पता चलता है उसे लिंग कहते हैं। लिंग के 2 भेद होते हैं, स्त्रीलिंग, पुल्लिंग। थैंक यू। हैना
से पुरुष होने का पता चलता है उन्हें पुल्लिंग कहते हैं। बंदर, शेर, हाथी, लड़का, घोड़ा। थैंक यू।
का पता चलता है उसे स्त्रीलिंग कहते हैं। थैंक यू अविनाश।
जैसे मालिन, हथनी, बागिन, सेविका, ग्वालिन, मोरनी। हैव अ नाइस डे।
लोग उम्मीद भी करते हैं कि फर्दर जो प्रोग्राम है लोग सुनना भी चाहते हैं। क्या कुछ और विस्तार की योजना विद्यालय की तरफ से जारी है?
बिल्कुल मैनेजमेंट की तरफ से भी बार ये कहा जा रहा है कि बच्चों को ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट के लिए हम उनको तरह की एक्टिविटीज़ भी करा रहे हैं, जैसे कि टाइकोंडो, कराटे है, डांस एंड सिंगिंग है, हैंड एंड क्राफ्ट वर्क भी सिखाया जा रहा है बच्चों को। और उनके फर्दर नॉलेज के लिए भी कुछ हम और स्टेप लेना चाह रहे हैं, जो कि मैनेजमेंट इस पर डिसाइड भी कर रहा है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने हमसे बात किया। तो आप प्रिंसिपल सर थे इस विद्यालय में, और निश्चित रूप से जो डंके की चोट पे तमाम जिला के लोग इस बात का दावा करते हैं कि एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल सिर्फ बेहतर कैंपस या इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के लिए ही नहीं जाना जाता, अपनी शिक्षा पद्धति के लिए भी आज सभी की जुबान पर एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल, खासतौर पर मिशन कंपाउंड में स्थित स्कूल के बच्चों के द्वारा जो प्रदर्शन किया गया अपनी प्रतिभा का, अपनी शिक्षा का और अपनी तैयारी का, उसको देख तमाम छात्र के साथ उनके परिजन, गुरुजन भी अपने आप को बहुत ही गौरवान्वित महसूस कर रहे हैं।
मैं सर सबसे पहले अपने इस स्कूल के जो एमडी जूनियर डायरेक्टर हैं हर्षित सिंह का भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा कि उनको अगर हम कोई बात कहते हैं तो उस चीज़ को काफ़ी सीरियस लेकर के और उस पर डिसीजन भी लेते हैं और वो करने के लिए तैयार भी हो जाते हैं। उसी का ये परिणाम है कि हम अच्छे पे अच्छा कर पा रहे हैं।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। तो ये युवा सोच और शक्ति का भी शायद ये बेहतर समन्वय का परिणाम है कि जो तमाम यहाँ छात्र छात्राएं हैं वो निश्चिंत हो सकते हैं अपने बेहतर फ्यूचर के।
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो आज के एक्सप्लेन बच्चों के बहुत ही अच्छे लगे और देख के बहुत ही खुशी मिली। एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स हैं वो बहुत ही अच्छी तैयारियों के साथ एक्सप्लेन किया है। सो थैंक यू
To all of you, my name is Divyanka Sharma. As you know that our school has organized an Edu Carnival. My teammate name is Siddhi Zuaria Rahmin and our topic is earthquake. Now I would like to call Siddhi for telling you about earthquake.
To all of you, my name is Siddhi Gupta from class 5th. Today I am going to representing a earthquake means bhukam, and earthquake happen because there are certain movement under the earth's surface which causes everything on the earth to move. So I would like call Divyanka Sharma for his topic. You can see that the earthquake start happening and the houses get cracked and some of the trees are fallen down. Now I would like to call Rahim for her topic.
To all of you, my name is Samin Khan. My topic is what is the epicenter. The point exactly above focus on the earth's surface are called epicenter. The epicenter suffers the most damage during an earthquake. I would like to call Zuberia for her topic.
Sir, my name is Zuberia Sara Akhtar from class 5th. Today I am representing a what is a focus. Earthquake start at a point within the earth which is called focus. I would like to call Divyanka Sharma for her.
To stay safe from earthquake, we can take some safety measures. First, leave the building immediately. Second, do not use elevator. Third, if you see smoke under a door, do not get out of that door. Fourth, if you are unable to get out of the building, go to the place where people can see you or hear you. Thank you.
To all of you, my name is Nidhi Sonka from class 5th. There were team members Soumya and Pransu. My topic is fundamental right. Fundamental right is the and there are the contribution of India. I would like to Pransu.
My name is Pransu Sonka from class 5th. I will present a right to equality. According to this right, every India is equal before the law. The law is expect to equality. I would like to call Soumya for her topic.
My name is Soumya Kumar from class 5th. My topic is the right to constitution and attitude. This right always the India go to the want if any of their fundamental right to the away from the Pransu Sonkar
Incorporation. Nobody can force to work his and her wish. No children below the 14-year age can be work factories. I will Nidhi for her topic.
Right to figure. The contribution of the there act. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Aparna Mishra. We are a student of class 5. तो आज हम आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करने वाले हैं हिंदी का प्रोजेक्ट, जिसमें हम आपको आज बताएंगे समश्रुति भिन्नार्थक शब्द क्या होता है और उसके कुछ शब्द। समश्रुति भिन्नार्थक शब्द जिन शब्दों का उच्चारण लगभग एक जैसा होता है परंतु उनके अर्थ भिन्न होते हैं, वे समश्रुति भिन्नार्थक शब्द कहलाते हैं। जैसे यह काफ़ी मजबूत है, दादाजी काफ़ी पी रहे हैं। यहाँ पर काफ़ी और कॉफ़ी का उच्चारण लगभग एक जैसा हो रहा है परंतु इनके अर्थ भिन्न है। काफ़ी का मतलब होता है पर्याप्त और कॉफ़ी का मतलब होता है पे। अब मेरा पार्टनर तनय आपको कुछ शब्द बताएगा।
सर, मेरा नाम तनय है। मैं आज आपको समश्रुति भिन्नार्थक शब्द के कुछ शब्द और अर्थ बताने जा रहा हूँ। अवधि निश्चित समय, अवधि अवध भाषा, कुल शब्द, कुल की द्वारा, कली कलियुग, कली अतिला फूल, दिन दिवस, दिन दरिद्र, गज हाथी, गज नाप, पानी जल, पानी हाथ, जवान युवा, जवान जीव, बुरा खराब, बुरा, पिछवी शक्कर, मूल जड़, मूल्य, कीमत, दिशा तरफ, दशा अर्थ।
You and welcome to my presentation. I am Maya Gupta from class 5. These are my team members. Using first, Abhi using second, Ayush and Anu. Then my topic is squaring device. This is a math squaring device. In this device, when we roll the handle, in this device, when we want to know square in the next shown in the next window, my friend Ayush will continue.
Ayush Karma. My topic is this is used of squaring device. In this device, when we rotate off or squaring device, we find that the square of one node in the first window will be shown in the second window. My friend Vinod second, please continue.
Good morning, sir. My name is Samir Singh, second from class 5 of this device. With the help of this device, second, we can easily remember the square of the number 2 is equal to.
Sir, my name is Avnav Singh first and I read in class 8 and my topic is profitable, and the main profitable point is that He made it blue using the materials which are often put in the waste like carbon and chart papers. My friend Anuj will be continuing.
From class 5th. So it is easy to make and so much to get profit device. Thank you.
Very good morning to all of you. Our school has organized Edu Carnival. I am so happy because my daughter is study here, and now I am very happy to as a teacher here. Because as a guardian, I am very happy because my daughter learned here, and I am as a teacher, I am very happy because I guide all students. So thank you to our management, and a special thanks to Katwa sir to organize this.
Good morning, sir. I am Cosby Pandey presenting my science project in front of you. Our topic is Safe Earth, Safe Future, Safe Trees, Safe Environment from class 6. In this project, we are showing the problems which are created by humans in the right side and the solution in the left side. In present situation, as we know as the problems which are created by humans, in present situation, as we know as the pollution is the biggest problem for us. For the red sky showing away that the increased global warming, and the black cloud showing away that the problems created make the factories that make also. Were the different kind natural resource like air, sun, and energy. Safety, safe environment.
मेरे बच्चे क्लास 9th में हैं। तैयारी ठीक ही है।
We have shown the problem of deforestation for making cities apartment, and factories of deforestation is increasing day by day. Trees are our various kind of things. It make clouds of rain, pollution free. Pollution is many birds and animal homeless.
That the birds are saying that don't cut our house.
Solution show inside. First of all, we have to stop deforestation. We have to plant the trees as much as possible. Plantation should be increased on a large scale. Natural, not ending resource such as wind, sun, air should be as energy.
Madhu Tripathi tell you something more about safe earth, safe future, safety, safe environment. As we showed that the electricity can be supplied in-house by windmill. Solar panel is also an option for providing electricity, such as a village for big area. Solar could be used for cooking food. Farmer instead seasonally farming, rain, water using etc. And Alia Ansari tell you something more about safe earth, safe future, safety, safe environment.
We all know that the factory not only pollute the air, but also the factory make our water and soil polluted and using renewable resources as our energy.
We can keep your environment clean. मत फैलाओ कचरा, पृथ्वी का कर लो संरक्षण. No pollution is the only solution.
Sir, ma'am, good morning. I am Sans Vastu presenting my English working project. We are from class 6. A part of speech. Also, a word class is a category that describes the role a word plays in a sentence. Understanding the different part of speech can help us analyze who what function in a sentence and improve our writing. There are 8 types of part of speech: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now my friend Radnesh here for extra information with you.
Niche words we use as the name of a person, place, animals or things such as book, chair, village, life. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun such as he, she, it, they. My friend.
Stand for adjective. Adjective. An adjective is a word used to add something to the use some noun, pronoun, black, poor, free.
Verb. Used to say something about a person, place or things as dance, etc.
Verb. An adverb is a word that modified except noun, pronoun, interjection. For example, loudly, sweetly, correctly.
It stands for interjection. Interjection is a word which expresses words like hurry up, hooray, we won the match.
A preposition is a word used before a noun or pronoun to show who the person or things in relation to someone else under. Example to over.
Interjection is a word used to join the words with clause and sentence such as and, but, or etc.
I am Adhikant Sadhu, presenting my math working project model. We are from class 6. This is our math formula device. In this device, when we correct the formulas, there will be a light, but when we connect the formulas wrong of one, it will not flashes. When shows that hour, now my friend Ratnesh will show the demo.
सर्कल का करेक्ट फार्मूला बता सकते हैं?
Maybe side into side, but it's wrong. Maybe pi root is pi. Yeah, it's correct. Sir, now what is the area of rectangle? Sir, please tell. Rectangle? No, it's wrong. Maybe to bed? Yeah, it's correct. If we connect wrong one, it will not flash as light.
जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि शिक्षण संस्थान में अति प्रतिष्ठित शिक्षण संस्थान एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल हर किसी की जुबान पर है और आज उसी स्कूल के कैंपस में हम मौजूद हैं और हमारे साथ कुछ ऐसे विद्वान छात्र हैं जिन्होंने एक स्पेशल डिवाइस तैयार किया हुआ है, मैथ्स फार्मूला डिवाइस। इस डिवाइस के माध्यम से सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि अगर आपके पास जो भी सवाल है, अगर आप सही चयन करते हैं उस सवाल का जवाब, तब तो बत्ती जल जाएगा और अगर गलत जवाब होगा तो बत्ती नहीं जलेगी। अपने खेल खेल में होनहार छात्र जिस तरीके से अपने जो है क्षमता का प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं, निश्चित रूप से तमाम छात्रों के लिए अनुसरणीय भी होगा। हमारे साथ वो छात्र हैं। बेटा, आप अपना नाम बताइए, किस क्लास में हैं?
My name is Ratnesh Tripathi. I am class 36.
ये जो डिवाइस बना है, आप बताइए कैसे इसकी तैयारी की है?
ये घर के वेस्ट मटेरियल से बना है और ये हम लोग के जैसे बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है और इससे हमें पता चलता है कि सही फार्मूला कौन सा है। सर, ये हमें सही जो सही रहेगा वो उस पर बत्ती जलेगी और जो गलत रहेगा उस पर नहीं बत्ती जलेगी।
ये बनाने का आइडिया कैसे आया बेटा?
सर, जब प्रोजेक्ट के लिए ये पता चला कि हम लोग हैं तो सोचे मैथ लेंगे, के बाद हम लोग को लगा कि कुछ उसमें क्रिएटिविटी दिखा के कुछ अच्छा बनाया जाए, इसलिए साइंस मैथ में फार्मूला डिवाइस बनाया है।
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। आप बताइए कि इसको बनाने में कितना समय लगा और लगता है कि ये बहुत फायदेमंद भी होने वाला?
हाँ, ये ज़्यादा बहुत फायदेमंद है। इसे हम लोग को बनाने में 2 दिन लग गए और ये बन के 2 दिन में कंप्लीट भी हो गया।
बहुत लोग सुन रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, आपको जरा एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करके दिखाइए ये कि कैसे क्या इसमें है, आप लोग बताइए।
जैसे आप देख सकते हैं, अगर एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का किसी ने पूछा कि इसका फॉर्मूला क्या है, तो जैसे कि साइड इनटू साइड फॉर्मूला नहीं है, इनकरेक्ट है। अगर एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला लेंथ इनटू ब्रेथ है तो यहाँ लाइट ऑन होगी। अगर हम लोग इनकरेक्ट पे टच करेंगे तो वो लाइट नहीं ऑन नहीं होगी।
तो एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन नायाब एक पैरामीटर जो तैयार किया गया है। निश्चित रूप से इस तरीके की जो गतिविधि होती है, बच्चे जो है खेल खेल में शिक्षा के दौरान अगर ये सोच रखते हैं तो निश्चित रूप से जो आने वाला वक्त होगा, ये वही छात्र हैं जो वैज्ञानिक, डॉक्टर और इंजीनियर बनने से इनको कोई रोक भी नहीं सकता।
A very pleasant and marvelous good afternoon to all of you. We, the students of class 6, are going to represent our social project, which is based on the topic, the structure of the earth. Now let's begin. It is divided into 3 major layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The outermost layer of the earth is the crust. The layer below the crust is the mantle. The mantle is divided into 2 layers: the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle is also known as asthenosphere and is in submolten state. The lower mantle is also known as mesosphere and is in molten state. The layer below the mantle is the core. The core is also divided into 2 layers: the inner core and the outer core. The inner core is in solid form and is made up of 90% of iron. and the outer core is in liquid state and is made up of iron, nickel and some amount of silicon and oxygen. Now my friend Anshit will continue.
The sphere of the earth is divided into two small plates which float and travel independently over the mantle. These are called tectonic plates. Now my friend Krishna will continue. Geomorphic process keep on the working on the solid plate of lithosphere internally and externally and often disturb the crust of the earth. This process outside or inside the earth crust are responsible for the formation of lithosphere. It will be continued.
Processes. Due to the immense internal heat and the molten materials keep on moving and exert pressure on the solid plates or lithosphere. As the pressure is exerted on the solid rocky plates of the core of the earth, the plates move and collide with each other at several points. These collision of plates cause the upliftment or subsidence of the earth's surface. These forces originating heat from the core of the earth are called tectonic forces. Now my friend Vineet will continue. One place to another, this process is called erosion. Erosion is a part of external process.
Giving us your precious time.
As you know, our school has organized Edu Carnival. So firstly, we will thankful to our school, head sir, head ma'am and all the teachers to give this opportunity to do such kinds of activities. This is Anshika from class 8 and I and my all the friends from class 8 have prepared an act to educate the people about hygiene and its benefits. So let's start. Take this sanitizer and sanitize your hand.
And this I feel suffocated and this tight marks.
Okay, fine.
मुझे भूख लग रही है. I am hungry.
Okay, let's have our meal, Arya.
नहीं दीदी, मुझे ये खाना नहीं खाना है. क्यों? मुझे फुल्की और चाट खाना है.
No, I don't give money to you.
No दीदी, मुझे पैसे दो, मुझे पैसे दो.
Okay, take this.
मुझे और पैसे दो.
What is this, Arya?
मुझे और पैसे दो, मुझे पैसे दो.
Okay, take this.
भैया एक फुल्की लगाना. क्या था तीखा करना. ठीक है, राम राम. My stomach is hurting. Stomach is paining.
What happened to you, Arya?
My stomach is hurting.
Okay, let's go to the doctor.
And what do you eat?
My stomach is hurting.
What do you eat?
Always eat junk food.
No.
The medicine that doctors provides you is product of our research, or we can say it, we scientists made it. We are someone who believes that there is a natural explanation for the most things. We systematically research, use the evidence to make hypotheses to gain extra share, extra knowledge and understanding. That's it.
Do you know the stethoscope we use for the surgery? It is made by the engineers, and the oxygen mask you use for the surgery, it is also made by the engineers.
अंग्रेजी बोल रहे हो? नमस्कार, मैं हूँ शिक्षक. ये हमारे ही बच्चे हैं. ये पढ़ने में तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, तभी तो इस मुकाम पे हैं. कोई इंजीनियर है तो कोई डॉक्टर है तो कोई छात्र है, लेकिन पढ़ने में कमजोर है, पैसा बहुत बढ़िया बना लेता है.
Good evening to all of you. My name is Gayatri Yadav and my group member name is Kavya Singh, Vashvi Soni,
Abhini Dubey.
We are students of class 7. Today our school has organized an Edu Carnival and for this exhibition we prepare a model of प्रदूषण. ये मॉडल प्रदूषण के बारे में है. हमने अपने मॉडल के द्वारा आप सभी को ये बताने का प्रयास किया है कि हमारी एक गलती की वजह से कितने सारे लोगों को बीमारियां हो सकती हैं. प्रदूषण विश्व की सबसे बड़ी समस्या है जो कम होने की बजाय प्रतिदिन बढ़ती ही जा रही है. प्रदूषण की वजह से सभी पृथ्वी पर मौजूद सभी जीव जंतुओं को बीमारियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. जैसे वायु प्रदूषण. वायु प्रदूषण एक सबसे खतरनाक धुआं है जो वाहनों से निकलता है. वायु प्रदूषण के कारण वायुमंडल में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड की मात्रा बढ़ रही है, जिससे पृथ्वी के ऊपर वाला ओजोन गैस पूरी तरह से प्रभावित हो रहा है. नाउ माय ग्रुप मेंबर काव्या सिंह डिफाइंड सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस स्टोरी.
प्रदूषण क्या आप जानते हैं? सरिता यानी नदी के कई नाम हैं, जैसे तटनी, प्रवाहिनी, तरंगिनी और भी आदि नाम है. उद्योगों और घरों से निकला हुआ कचरा कई बार नदियों और अन्य जल स्रोतों में मिल जाता है, जिससे यह उन्हें प्रदूषित कर देता है. जल प्रदूषण के कारण अन्य बीमारियां भी फैल सकती हैं, जबकि इन सब का जिम्मेदार मनुष्य ही है. क्योंकि लोग नाली के पानी और गंदगी को नदी में बहा देते हैं। जैसे आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं, यह आदमी नदी में कचरा फेंक रहा है। इन सबसे बीमारियाँ भी फैल सकती हैं। ये सारी गंदगी और कारखानों से निकली हुई खतरनाक रसायनों ने नदी के पानी को गंदा बना दिया है। मनुष्य को ये तो पता होना चाहिए कि नदी का पानी उन्हीं के लिए है। अगर नदी निर्मल रहेगी तो मनुष्य भी स्वस्थ रहेंगे।
हम नदी लोगों को तो रोक नहीं सकते, इसीलिए हमें खुद ही नदी को प्रदूषित होने से रोकना होगा, वरना हम लोग बीमारियों से जूझते रहेंगे।
But I'm going to explain third part of the story.
I am going to define this story. थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रीम, मृदा प्रदूषण। मिट्टी में होने वाले प्रदूषण को मृदा प्रदूषण कहते हैं। यह मुख्य खेती में अधिक कीटनाशक का उपयोग करने से पदार्थ मृदा में नहीं होना चाहिए, उससे मिलने पर होता है। शहरीकरण और औद्योगिकरण बढ़ने से मृदा प्रदूषण बढ़ रहा है। थैंक यू।
ना ही सुंदर कल होगा जितना सुंदर स्वच्छ हमारा जल होगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you for the story. Thank you so much.
Good morning.
My name is Aras.
And my name is Kinza Miraj.
We are from class 7.
Today, our school has organized an Edu Carnival
And for this exhibition, we have prepared a model of human heart.
and also elaborate you how human hearts work and what is a human heart. So firstly, I will explain you what is a human heart. It is the first sized organ that pumps blood throughout our body. It's the primary organ of our circulatory system. Our heart contains 4 main sections called chamber made of muscle and impulses. Our brain and nervous system direct our heart function. Now she will explain you how hearts work.
The right side of the heart receives blood that contains low oxygen because the most oxygen has been used up by the brain and the body. It pumps this to your lungs.
It's the impure blood that goes to your lungs for purification.
It picks up a fresh supply of the blood return to the left side of the heart and it gets ready to be pumped out back from the brain and the rest of the body.
Thank you for giving us this opportunity and have an awesome day.
First of all, good morning, sir. My name is Akshat Kumar, and these are my team members Anurag, Karthikeya, Sudan, and Aryan. We have prepared a working model that represents how the all planets revolve around the sun. Now, my friend Anurag tell you more about this project. Thank you.
So, solar system consists of the sun, the 8 planets that revolve around it, and their natural satellite and asteroid. The solar system forms 4.6 billion meter for age. Now my Karthikeya tell about this planet.
Good morning, sir. The solar system has 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now my friend Sujan tell about the other planets.
Mercury is a smallest planet and can be seen just before the sunrise and sunset. Venus, it is an evening star. It is also known as Earth twin. Earth, it is the only planet in our solar system on which life exists. Mars, it appears in the sky, range red star. That is why it is called red planet. Thank you, sir. Now my friend is at Aryan other planet.
Sir, my name is Aryan. No, sir, my name is Aryan Konodia. So, Jupiter, it is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter, it is the largest planet in our solar system. Saturn, it is the lightest planet with the most beautiful ring. And this planet is also called the ring planet. And Uranus, it is the fastest revolving planet in our solar system. And Neptune, it is the coldest planet in our solar system. Thank you, sir.
Sir, my name is Yash Srivastav. We are the student of class 7. Today, I am representing a model of English from my book. Who lived in a village? His mother. King was very cruel, and he always sent the people to the mountain by cross of the A65 and get them through to the mountain to die. Anish will continue.
Farmers' lots was cruel when the poor got age of 65. Fred that knew he have to got Mount Everest. Amit will be continue.
Leave his mother over. Mohit will continue.
He said that his mother was making to around of the earth. Then yours will be continue. Yes.
हमें ये स्टोरी से ये रिस्पेक्ट ऑल एल्डर्स. थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.
Head sir, head ma'am, principal sir, very very thankful to giving me this opportunity to I am standing here. Today our school has organized a Edo Carnival, so we all are prepared the 7 wonders. So my wonder's name is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is one of the most reorganizable building in the world. It is located in the capital city of Agra. It is in-changing of love story, fully dedicated by loss and pain. It is constructed for his wife Mumtaz. Mahal is also Taj Mahal is also famous for Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz is the 4th wife of Shah Jahan. Thank you. My group member Priyam can
Good afternoon, sir. Respected. My name is Priyam Yadav. I am school from SN Public School Mission Compound. Standing before you to represent a 3D model in Hindi, Great Pyramid of Giza in Hindi. यानी कहिरा में स्थित यह गिजा का महान पिरामिड एक बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक और प्राचीन स्मारक है जो 7 अजूबों में से एक है। यह नील नदी किनारे बना यह पिरामिड आती जाती बड़ी संख्या में पर्यटकों को अपनी ओर लुभाता है और ये पिरामिड को गुफू का पिरामिड और ग्रेट गिजा ऑफ पिरामिड के भी नाम से जाना जाता है। थैंक यू।
Afternoon, sir. My name is Prithu Joshi. I am a student of SN Public School, Mission Compound. I am represent about Lotus Temple. A Lotus Temple is located in the capital of the country is Delhi. It is type of building that is shaped like Lotus Temple. But there is no idols of God installed inside it. Rather, religious texts, all religions are present and read inside them. No religious ritual take place here. This is Lotus Temple is one of the tourist place in Delhi. 1 lakh of people come here every day. The atmosphere of this temple is very calm. Thank you.
Good afternoon, respected sir. My name is Mohammad Zuhair and I am from class 8. We all are a student of SN Public School Mission Compound. I am here to present a model on Eiffel Tower. It is located in Paris, the capital of France. It took over just 2 years to build from 1887 to 1889. It named after Gustave Eiffel who designed the tower. It almost built in Barcelona instead of Paris. The height of Eiffel Tower was 324 meters or 1063 feet tall without including antenna. The nickname of Eiffel Tower was the Lampe de Feu, which means the Iron Lady. The Eiffel Tower was one of the most famous structures in the world. The Eiffel Tower was made for the entrance of 1889 World's Fair. For 130 years, the Eiffel Tower was one of the most powerful symbol of the city of Paris and by extension of France. At first, when it was built for 1889 World's Fair, it impressed the entire world by its structure and daring design and symbol for Paris, for France, how to industrial genius. Thank you.
Sir, my name is Aryan Singh. I am the student of SN Public School Mission Compound. Standing before you to represent a 3D model of Red Fort in हिंदी। लाल किला भारत की आन बान और शान है। लाल किला को आज़ादी का प्रत्यक्ष उदाहरण भी माना जाता है। लाल किला भारत की राजधानी दिल्ली में यमुना नदी के तट पर स्थित है और लाल किला का निर्माण लाल बलुआ से किया गया है, इसलिए इसको लाल किला कहते हैं। लाल किला का निर्माण बादशाह शाहजहां ने सन 1526 में करवाया था। लाल किला का असली नाम किला मुबारक है और 2007 में यूनेस्को ने विश्व के 26 धरोहरों को शामिल कर लिया और थैंक यू सर।
My name is Yashwankar. I study in class 8. I'm from SN Public School Mission Compound. चीन की विशाल दीवार दुनिया के 7 अजूबों में से एक है। द ग्रेट वॉल ऑफ चाइना सन 1971 में घोषित यूनेस्को द्वारा विश्व वैश्विक स्तर पर घोषित किया गया था। चीन की यह दीवार चंद्रमा से दिखाई जाने वाली पृथ्वी ग्रह पर बना एकमात्र स्मारक है। इस दीवार की लंबाई 6400 किमी है। इस दीवार को सन 1970 तक खोल दिया गया था। थैंक यू एंड माय फर्दर ग्रुप मेंबर अनुभव।
Good afternoon, sir. My name is Anubhav Singh. I am from SN Public School. I am representing about Ludu Leaning Town, located between 1139 to 1499, and it is made up of white marble of Pisa, and it is located at Pisa of capital of Italy, and it is famous for its 4-degree lean, and it is in the 200 stairs, and it is survived 4 earthquakes. Thank you.
Hello sir, good afternoon. My school name is SN Public School. I am studying in class 8. I am representing model about hospital. Sick and injured people are treated. There are 2 types of hospital: government hospital and private hospital. People are treated in both these places. The only difference between government hospital and private hospital is that people get free treatment in government. Treatment is done by taking money in private hospital. The doctor and nurse work day and night to treat sick people in the hospital. Doctor is available 24 hours per day. Doctor is a second god for us. We should respect doctor and nurses in our lifetime. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Aditya. I am in class LKG. My positive Before and after is Namakam, after I fish for Namakam. Namakam before city 5, Namakam after city 7. Then. Hello, good morning. My name is Aisha Akhtar. I read in class LKG. My project is math before and after the number. Number comes before 6 is number comes after. My name is Abhira Patasi. I read class LKG. My project in math before and after the number. 6 is 5. Number comes after 6 is 7. Good morning, my name is Akshit Kumar. I read in class 4 KG. My project in math before and after the number. After 6 is 5. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Siddharth Watu. I read in class 2 KG. I am mango. My color is yellow. I am sweet and juicy. My name is Shiksha Chaturvedi. I read in class 2 KG. I am papaya. My color is yellow. I am full of vitamin A, C, E. Sir and good morning. Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. My name is Bhavya. I read in class 2 KG. I am grapes. My color is green. I am sweet and fresh. Good morning, sir, and good morning, ma'am. My name is Palak Dubey. I read in class 2 KG. I am strawberry. My color is red. I am memory rich food. I am rich vitamin calcium, vitamin C. Thank you. Good morning. My name is Ahmed Azhar. I study in class UKG. I am watermelon. My color is green. I have white water content. My name is Amira. I read in class UKG. I read in class UKG. I am pomegranate. My color is red. I am pomegranate packed with nut block. Thank you. Sir, good morning, ma'am. My name is Ikra. I read in class UKG. I am guava. My color is green. I am cough and cold fighter. I am rich in vitamin A, C, and B. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Roshan Khadija Alam. I read in class UKG. I am banana. My color is yellow. I am healthy and rich vitamin K and calcium. Good morning, sir. My name is Shanavita. I read in class UKG. I am apple. My color is red. I am healthy food and rich vitamin.
Good afternoon. My name is Aluchan. And our school name is SN Public School. We all study in 8th class. Firstly, we want to give thanks to my school and teachers that they have given us a chance to represent such type of activities, which is very helpful in my life. We are going to represent a model about playing with polygon. A polygon is a two-dimensional geometric figure that has finite number of sides. A side of polygon connect to each other in twin. Thus, the line segment of polygon are called sides or edges. A polygon divided into 7 shapes, for example, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, and nonagon. So, I am going to represent about triangle, quadrilateral, and pentagon. A triangle is a polygon with 3 edges and 3 vertices. The sum of in geometry. Quadrilateral has 4 edges and 4 vertices. The sum of all interior quadrilateral is 360. And pentagon, the pentagon that has 5 straight line segments, the sum of internal angle in a simple pentagon 5 is 540. And my group member Kushagra, please explain about hexagon and heptagon.
Good afternoon, sir. Today I am going to tell about hexagon and heptagon. Hexagon, a shape with 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 vertices and 120 angles. Heptagon, a heptagon is a polygon with 7 sides and 128 angles. All the sides of heptagon connect each other end by end to form a complete new shape. And my group member Shahadat Ali explain about octagon and non.
My name is Shahadat Ali. I am standard in class 8th. I explain about octagon and nonagon. Octagon is a polygon shape. Octagon has 8 sides and 8 angles. Nonagon has a polygon shape 9 sides and 9 angles. Nona means 9 and side. Gon means sides. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is Divya from class 8 with my group members Astha Shukla. Good morning, sir. Maureen Chauhan. Janvi Gupta.
Good morning, sir.
So, welcome to you all in the Edu Carnival SN Public School Mission Compound Mirzapur. So, this is our project of water fountain. Now, my friend Asa will explain the topic of water fountain.
Now I'm going to explain how does it works. The pump forces water upward to create a falling effect into the lower basin. The pump uses water pressure and tubes to force water back into the reservoir at water cycle again. Now my friend Janu will explain where does the water fountain comes.
Yes, the water fountain comes from the Latin word is the possessive cases. The fountain refers to a source of water from reservoir. Now my friend Astha say something.
Now I am going to explain the meaning of the fountain. Water force pressure through a narrow exist so that it bubbles and get out in a form of fountain. Now I am going to explain water fountain formed. The formation was formed by the erosion of ancestral rocky mountain process as alluvial fans. Now my group member Maureen will explain about the characteristics of fountain.
Characteristics of a traditional fountain is an arrangement where water issues from a source. Latin ponds fills a basin of some kind and it's drained away. Fountain may be flow fountain or standing. In fountain, sheets of water or concrete, metal or stone.
I would like to special thanks to our principal sir for organizing this event, school management, subject teacher Sabha ma'am and my team member. Without their support and cooperation, this project will not made and executed. And also thank to you for coming and giving your precious time to us. And thank
आज हम अपनी बहन के स्कूल में आए हैं एसएन पब्लिक स्कूल और यहाँ पे सबने मॉडल्स बनाया है विथ हर टीचर्स हेल्प। यहाँ पे सबका मॉडल बहुत अच्छा है। थैंक यू।
बच्चे बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं। यहाँ की टीचरें, यहाँ के स्कूल सब बहुत अच्छा है। बच्चे भी अच्छे हैं, सब बहुत अच्छा है। मेरा बेटी LKG UKG एंड 5 में। जी हाँ, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था।